Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Tagal lang ko, no? Mga isang oras. Big, te!
Ha?
Anong kinakain mo? Puko ng ina ka. Tangina, hindi ka ba nagsasawa dyan? Gray! Sorry, di ko nalipat. Akin, sorry.
Niset mo kasi.
Utangin, nagigiba ah.
Number 13, jumper, no, dribble by number 25. Number 35, number 35, Ucho, number 25, pass! Delay, good, pass!
12 na lang pare, sabihin mo.
Doon na lang ako ng blue team.
13.
Gis! 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13, attacking the defense, no. Dribble by number 95. Pass to number 25. Taking the shot, number 25. The lane, no good. Dribble by number 30, good! Sakto na lang ako lumawan ng bilote. Saksi-saksi, pasok ang papasok, laban na lalabas.
Walang saba. Asan si Dod? May saba po? Dapat sinabi mo pala, ano, boss? Kala ko time out eh.
Number 34, 3, go! Ito na lang, kabalabaan na mag-blote! Number 11, the pick! The lane is good! What a move by number 11! Number 95, pass to number 25. Number 25 for 3, go! Pumapasok na ang 3 ni Grayson! 46-52 favor of blue team. Anin na lang kalamang blue team. Number 11. Pass to number 2. Shot clock parigo. 9 seconds to shoot.
Nagdisip pa eh, no?
9 seconds to shoot. Number 2 for 3. Wala. Dribble to number 15. Number 15, shot. No. Dribble to number 20. Number 20. Nag-aarap na papasahan. Pass to number 25. Number 25 for 2. Wala. Dribble to number 2. Sayang. Number 11. Number 11, binigay niya number 2, the jumper, no, the rebound din number 11, go! Number 19, number 25, number 25, so number 8, ito nagamit na papasabi rin number 30, short, rebound boy, good, tira mo 8, number 30, pass to number 8! Good! Ang kalamangan ng blue team. Number 11. For 3.
Basket?
Basket, tres.
Basket daw.
Basket yun ha. Okay po. Antindi ng driver na kinuha ni boss.
Body shot by number 11. First personal foul on number 95. Body shot. Go. 4 points. 10 points. Number 25 for 12. Go! Kumusot na ang tira ng rated. Number 2 for 12. No. Rebound by number 30. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 25. Na 8. Yossi. Available ang Yossi natin dito.
Parang demonyo si Icing. Ganda yung kulay-pula.
Yossi.
Okay lang.
Back to the ball game.
Kasi yung ano kanina, yung exam.
Number 8, pass to El number 11. Number 6, number 2, atapan. Number 25, pass to Ucho, crossing over, huli, number 11, nice pass by number 6. Number 6 is good.
Balik si Bunso daw.
Siyang ulit ang palambangan. Number 30, pass to number 25. Number 25 for 3, no. Take off by number 30. Number 30 is take off. Number 30 for 3, no. Rebound, number 11. Number 11 pinata number 2. Number 2, attacking the defense, no. Rebound number 30. Number 25 for 3, no. Rebound by number. Lugo.
Ano lang yan, Lima? Sa'yo.
Anak grenade.
Ay, nilista ko din yung binili ha.
Bumabagsak.
Next game, pare. Sa'yo mo, fourth quarter na.
Be ready next game.
Red versus
Yellow.
Next game na ba? Fourth na pala, no?
Back to the ball game. Hello. Number 6, bigay inbound. Siya na ang kalabangan ng blue team. Number 25. Pinigay number 13. Open lane. Good. Number 13. Number 11. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Jumper. Good. 2 points pa. 2 points. Sorry.
Sorry nga.
Sorry. Hindi ko nakita. Number 25. Number 25. Ang ganda. 57-66.
Siyam na lang, pare.
Siyam na lang ang relative. Number 3. Number 3 pinasada number 2. Alam mo Alam mo kuya Number 2 open days. Good. Number 13.